Hi, I'm Mira from Flow with Mira. Today we will be doing 5 Pilates upper back and shoulder strengthening exercises. You can do these exercises on top of a workout as a booster or repeat the exercises 3 times for a full upper back and shoulder exercises. So let's begin the class. We're going to do about 10 repetitions for each exercise. First exercise is our spine stretch. So sitting up tall, lengthening the legs as much as you can, dorsiflex the feet, take your arms forward, have your feet slightly wider than your pelvis. Inhaling. Exhale. We're going to roll the spine down. Take yourself all the way down to wherever your spine can take you today. Now here, we're going to add extension. We're going to inhale, elongate the spine. So engage that back muscle. Take your arms next to your ears. Exhale, we round down. And we roll up the spine. In breath. Exhale, we roll down. Inhale, we elongate the back, arms next to your ears. Exhale, we round the spine down and we roll up again. Exhale, we roll down. Inhale, lifting, lengthening, reaching. Exhale, and up. Again, 4. Inhale, lift. Exhale. And up. And 5. Inhale, lift. Exhale. And tall. On 6. Inhale, reaching. Exhaling. And roll up again. Again, 7. And lift. And round down. And roll back. And 8. Inhale. Exhale. And up. 2 more times. And we roll down. And we lift. And round down. And lift. Last one. And we're going to hold that diagonal position here. Hold it here. Let's add some shoulder flexion. Pull the arms back for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it. We roll down again. We roll the spine up. And let it go. Excellent. Exercise number 2. Onto a quadruped position, and then we're going to do our tricep push-up. So it's crucial that we keep the shoulder blade nice and stable here. Now, align the shoulder and the heel of your palm, align the knee and the center of your hip. We send the elbows back, we bring our body forward, and then we push away. Now, hold in the center nice and tight here. Exhale. We got 10 here. 3. Exhale. 4. 5. 6. 7. Keep the neck long. 8. 9. 10. Well done. Bring the legs forward. Number 3 is our back support. And then we're going to finish with leg pull back. You're welcome to not do the leg pull back and just hold the back support position. So legs are long. About fists between the heels. Chest is open. From here, we press up. Look up to the sky. Folding through the hip as you go down. On 2. Folding through the hip. And 3. And down. 4. And down. 5. 6. We hinge up 7. Toes are down to the floor if you can't. 8. 2 more. 9. Last one. We hold there. You can join me for leg pull back, but just hold the position here. Right leg kick. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We switch. 2, 3, 4, 5, and release. Well done. Cross the leg and let's go onto our belly for our basic back extension. For exercise number 4. Arms long by the side. Neck is long, legs together if you can. Energy through the legs. And we inhale, we lift the upper back. Exhale, we go down. Inhale, lift. Exhale. And 3. Arms are long by the side. And down. And 4. And down. And 5. Inhale, 6 to lift. Exhale, we go down. Inhale, 7 to lift. Exhale, we go down. And 8. 2 more, 9. Last one, 10. Well done. Bring the forearms on the side of the shoulder. We got a challenging breaststroke next. Now here, again, energy through the legs. As we inhale, we lift our upper back and the forearm. Extend the arms, open to the side like airplane. Bend the elbow, give the external rotation of the shoulder, and we lower down. Inhale, open. Exhale to go down. So it's a long inhalation here. Exhale, inhale, lift. Exhale, on 5. Exhale, on 6. And 7, anchor the feet. 8. 9. Last one. 10. And release. Press the floor away with the forearm. Pull the belly in. Sit the pelvis back for a quick rest position. Pelvis to the heels. Arms are reaching away. In breath. Exhale and roll the spine up. Good. Well done. That was 5 exercises for the upper back and the shoulders. Repeat 2 more times for a full upper back and shoulders workout. Rewind the video and start all over again. Congratulations on completing the class. Well done. I'm Mira and I'm here to help you to look and feel your absolute best through Pilates. If you enjoyed this video, you will love my free Better Postures in 5 days program. Click the first link in the comments and sign up. I will instantly send you a daily email with a 15 to 20 minute workout each day. This workout will work your whole body to help open, stretch, and strengthen your posture. Your spine and body will love you. Don't forget to like and comment with any question you may have about Pilates. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my free Pilates video. See you in the next class.